Hey guys, it's Cromdar, and this is my 2-minute tutorial for a simple healer UI setup. The point is to centralize all the key information around the center of the screen. This is especially useful to me because I can keep track of the mechanics, my party members' HP, and cooldowns without shifting my focus around the screen too much. Step 1. Customize the party frames. Be sure to check the Use Raid Style Party Frames. Turn on Change Class Colors, Display Power Bars, turn off Display Border, and I personally like to increase the height and width to the maximum so I can see the debuffs on my teammates properly. Step 2. Centralize the party frames. Simply click on the drop-down menu, unlock the party frames, and drag them towards the center of the screen. Don't forget to lock the frames once you're done adjusting them. Step 3. Centralize your personal and enemy unit frames. All of this is doable without add-ons. Simply right-click the frame, unlock it, drag it around where you want it, and after that lock it. Step 4. Download and install the add-ons in the description below. Perhaps the most important one for me is Clique. It allows me to bind all of my heals on mouse over, so that I can keep targeting the enemy for damaging spells, and heal my allies without having to target them individually. If you're unsure how to install the WeakAuras, copy the WeakAuras import string, go to your World of Warcraft client, type /WA, click on import, paste the string in here, and import group. Be sure to adjust the frames if necessary if they're in the way of the WeakAuras, or adjust the WeakAuras itself. Thank you for watching. Be sure to post your questions, suggestions, and favorite healer add-ons and WeakAuras in the comments below. Till next time.